hydrogen. When all of this, one of the very important feature of hydrogen as a fuel, when wood burns, gasoline, when wood burns, it produces carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water, and others. Assuming it's a perfect world, okay? Gasoline will also produce carbon dioxide and water. When coal burns, if it's a perfect world, it's 100% carbon, assuming it will produce only carbon dioxide. When methane burns, in a perfect world, it will produce carbon dioxide and water. When propane burns, just like methane, it will produce, in a perfect machine, carbon dioxide and water. When ethanol burns, in a perfect machine, it will produce carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide and water is a common product from the burning of all of these fuels except coal. Hydrogen is an exception. When hydrogen burns, the only product is water. Very good. Can you imagine a car running on hydrogen and producing no byproduct except water? So your tailpipe will be basically producing water only. That's the perfect vehicle that we want, right? No pollution. There is a technical problem with hydrogen though, but I think it's a matter of time before it can be solved. The problem of storage. Hydrogen cannot be liquefied like LPG. It have to be stored as a gas at high pressure. So you do not want, imagine an accident in the expressway involving vehicles running on hydrogen fuel. The explosion would be so much, the risk involved in having hydrogen stored. Now, but there is a solution that's, I think it's getting closer and closer to the market. Hydrogen will be stored in a form that is absorbed in a foam-like ceramics, not really under very high pressure. So when that gets into the market, then I think there's future for a hydrogen fuel car. Okay, question number 2, where do you get hydrogen? Where do we get hydrogen fuel? If it's a perfect fuel, it will produce no pollution, where do we get hydrogen? Water. Okay, water is a, yes, it's a very good potential source of hydrogen. So we say, when you say water, you say oceans. H2 sources. Saan pa? Someone is ocean. River pa, di ba? So basically, remember the one of the first equations that I showed you, I think during the first meeting, is this equation. Can you turn on the light, please? Thank you. Yeah, I will remember your efforts when I grade, when I compute your grade. Okay. The equation that tells you how to produce hydrogen from water is this equation. It's called. Now, how does this happen? How do you take water and split it into hydrogen and oxygen? And okay. Tinuro pa sa inyo yan sa elementary? Electrolysis. So by application of electricity, we can split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, there's a problem there. That's the problem. Electricity. Where do you get the electricity? Battery. But where do you get the electricity that is used to charge the battery? Meralco. Okay? There is always a, energy is, conservation of energy. It has to come from somewhere. You said something? Okay, very good. Now, the idea is not to buy electricity from Meralco. But if you find electricity and the sun produces enough electricity to split the oceans into hydrogen and oxygen, we capture the oxygen. We just donate to charity the oxygen. Hydrogen, we just get the hydrogen. Put the hydrogen in storage, high-tech storage tanks, and then when you go for a refill in the hydrogen station, that's the real gas station, right? Because nowadays our gas station, when you buy gas, you don't get gas, you get liquid, right? You get gas. Okay. You take a canister of hydrogen fuel, put it in the car, plug, and then you go. And then you're out of, the meter says, oh, you're running low on hydrogen, you stop at another hydrogen station, give the empty container, take another container, plug it into your car, and then you go again. And then the only byproduct that you're producing is energy and water. So you want to collect the water, and you have water to drink while you're driving. It's the same what it takes to. Oh, that's cleaner than distilled water.
Why?
Because distilled water is taken from not so clean water, just distill it by heating. This is made. It's like Lego. You assemble the atoms piece by piece right there. But I can imagine the impurities would be oil from the engine, maybe some. But you pass it through a carbon filter and it should be okay too. Right? But of course, we have plenty of water. It's not really our concern now. You want clean water. Maybe Meralco will start. I'd like to see Meralco. Not really Meralco. You know, we need high power from Meralco. Meralco is a trader. They don't produce power. Meralco is like exactly middleman, distributor. What does it call? Delivery boy. Diba? Meralco buys power from the National Power Corporation, and then Meralco sells. Because government doesn't know how to sell retail. So Meralco say, okay, we buy your power, we sell. Meralco employees are some of the beneficiaries of best employee benefit packages.